In today's video, we're focusing on a common issue, the ManagerId attribute not updating for users from Active Directory and Okta user profiles. First things first, it's normal that the getManagerUser function with Active Directory doesn't update the user profile in Okta when the manager changes in Active Directory. But don't worry, we have a solution. This fix works best when you're using just one Active Directory with Okta. If you have more than one, you'll need to tweak it a bit using Okta's expression language string functions. Ready to get started? Great. Here's what you need to do. First, log in into Okta Admin Dashboard. Head over to Directory, then Profile Editor. Select Directories and select your Active Directory domain. Click on Mappings. Now, in the Domain to Okta tab, update the two attributes, ManagerId and Manager. Use Okta's expression language string functions found in the description below. For ManagerId, use getManagerUserActiveDirectory.email. For Manager, use String.substringAfter, String.substringBefore, appuser.managerDn, OU, CN. After setting these, click on Save Mappings and then Apply Updates now. Finally, check a user profile to make sure the values for the ManagerId and Manager are correct. And that's it. You've successfully updated your ManagerId attribute in Okta. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.